What's going on, everybody? Pokeball here, and today we're going to be opening up 3 packs of XY Evolution and 3 packs of XY Breakthrough. This is going to be a set versus set battle. I'm going to be keeping points to see which set comes out ahead and provides the better pulls. Hopefully you guys can tell a difference. I finally got some studio lighting, so hopefully the quality and the, at least, video is a lot better than it was before, because since I moved, the lighting has been horrible. So I invested some money and got myself some studio lights. So definitely leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of the new lights and the setup and everything like that. Even though you can't tell the difference as far as setup, everything is completely different. But let's go ahead and get these going. We do have 3 packs of Evolution. We have 2 Raichu and a Blastoise pack art. And then we have Breakthrough, which has Mega Mewtwo Y, Mega Mewtwo X, and Houndoom. So let's just open these up one at a time. We will start things off with Evolutions. Alright, so we start off with a Fire Energy, Vulpix, Tangela, we have a Machop, Weedle, Poliwhirl, Maintenance, Potion, Reverse Holo is a Poliwhirl, and a Electrode regular rare. It was a little strange starting off with a Fire Energy. Moving on to Breakthrough. Alright, we have a Meowth, Pansear, Ralts, Swinub, Noibat, Floatstone, that's a pretty good card, Magneton, Giovanni's Scheme, we have a Quilava Reverse Holo, and a Bronzong regular rare. So far, nothing. Moving on to our next pack of Evolutions. Go ahead and take this code card. Alright, we have a Rattata, Tangela, Staryu, Fighting Energy, Magikarp, Full Heal, Machoke, Switch, Reverse Holo is a De-Evolution Spray, and our rare is a Pidgeot EX Full Art. There we go. Finally getting a hit. So that is 4 points on the board. Then moving on to our Mega Mewtwo X. Alright, we have a Pikachu, Magnemite, Cubone, Snubbull, Cacnea, Super Rod, we have a Ursaring, Sandslash, Reverse Holo is a Chespin, and a Simipour regular rare. So we're not really getting any Holos or EXs out of Breakthrough, but we are getting some pretty good trainer cards. Last pack of Evolutions. Go ahead and take this code. Alright, we have a Tangela, Voltorb, Fairy Energy, Onix, Staryu, Magmar, here comes Team Rocket, Secret Rare, we have a Revive, a Charmander, and a Venusaur EX. There we go. So back-to-back ultra rares, 4 evolutions, and a secret rare. Final pack of Breakthrough. Can it turn around? We've got to get something from this set. Alright, we have a Ghastly, Doduo, Staryu, Cyndaquil, Pampor, Snorlax, Vanillish, Assault Vest, it's not bad, Professor's Letter Reverse Holo, and an Abomasnow non-holo rare. So completely skunked out of Breakthrough. The only thing we got out of Breakthrough are two pretty decent trainers, a Floatstone and a Super Rod, so I will take those. But Evolution's coming out the dominant set with a Here Comes Team Rocket secret rare, a Venusaur EX, and then a Pidgeot EX full art. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more, and I will see you all in my next video.